In this video, I will show you how to delete Amazon order history. This should be a quick and easy process to follow. To get started, the first thing you'll want to do is go to Amazon and log into your account. Once you're logged in, move your cursor to the top right-hand corner, where you'll see an option for Returns and Orders. Click on that. This will take you to your orders page. At the time of recording, it's not possible to actually delete your order history. However, you do have the option to hide your orders. To do this, simply scroll through your orders and choose one to archive. For example, let's take this projector order. On that order, if you look towards the bottom, you'll find a link labeled Archive Order. What this does is it removes the order from your main order history by archiving it. So, although you can't delete the order, archiving effectively hides it from your regular view. Hopefully, Amazon will allow full deletion in the future, but for now, this is the available method. When you click Archive Order, a pop-up window will appear. In that window, scroll down and click the Archive Order button again. This action will remove the item from your visible order history, and that's it. Thank you for watching.